बस ठीक है इतने हाँ पूरा मेरा हाँ पूरा था थैंक यू
Hanji, now we have a MP of Kitchener, Kelly Driver. I'd like to have you here.
Thank you very much for having me. This is a show. Were you playing all day? Yeah? And who's the winner? I don't even know. It just came. This is the final match now. I came for the place. Yes! Exciting. Okay. Wow. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me, and I can't wait to watch and then spend some time with you guys after. Good luck to the both of you. May the best team win.
Punjab Panthers A, Punjab Panthers A.
Oh, okay.
So, luckily they are both in the finals. So they are participating in the finals just after the introduction.
नाम लो
कैमरा खींच के लाओ मोड़ा
फोटो भेज दो
छोटे पे एमपी आई इंट्रो
Harman, Obi, our president and senior captain, Rami.
Thanks for having me. Yes, of course.
Rampai Center Charge.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਵ
ਦੇਖੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਆ ਇਹ ਕਾਕਾ ਤੇ ਆਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ
ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ good luck guys, good luck for final. Good luck guys.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਾਂਜੀ no we will have a picture together. Okay, red team please sit down in front. All of you please sit. We'll have a picture please. Oh, come on. Can you come here in the middle, please? Please get the side. Leave some space inside. Please slide down that side. Please slide down to that side, please.
Okay, Vipin.
everybody right thumb up.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you guys.
हो गया जी, हो गया।
ਤੇ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ ਪਲੀਜ਼। ਨਹੀਂ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ 'ਚ ਗੈਟ ਰੈਡੀ ਦ ਫੀਲਡ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਬਾਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੀਲਡ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਜੀ। ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਫੀਲਡ ਲਾਈਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਜੋ ਨਾ ਚੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਬਿਸਲ ਮਾਰੋ।
ਹੈਲੋ ਬਿਗਲ ਵੱਜਿਆ ਕੋਚ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਚੜੇ ਸੂਰਮੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਦਲੇਰ ਮੀਆਂ ਚੜੇ ਪੁੱਤ ਸਰਦਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਬਾਕੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬੇਲਿਓ ਨਿਕਲਦੇ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਮੀਆਂ ਚੜੇ ਸਮਝ ਹੈ ਦੁਆਬੀਏ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਵਾਏ ਸੀ ਕਿਲੇ ਢੇਰ ਮੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਾਹ ਮੁਹੰਮਦਾ ਚੜੇ ਜੰਬੂਰ ਖਾਨੇ ਹੋਆ ਹੁਕਮ ਨਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਦੇਰ ਮੀਆਂ। ਸੋ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਖਿਡਾਰੀ ਵੀਰ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਹਮ ਹਮਾ ਕੇ ਪੁੱਜੇ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ 1 ਕਦਮ ਚਾਹੇ 2 ਕਦਮ ਚਾਹੇ 4 ਕਦਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇੱਕ ਕਦਮ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਕ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਮੱਥੇ ਹੈ। ਨਾਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਸ ਹਾਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈ। ਜਿੰਨਾ ਲੋਕ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਨਾ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਇਸ ਹਾਕੀ ਗੇਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈ। ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਦਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੇਖ ਲਈਏ, ਚਾਹੇ ਸੰਸਾਰਪੁਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਦਕੋਹੇ ਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ, ਢਿਲਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ, ਧੀਣਾ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਸੋ ਹਾਕੀ ਦੀ ਨਰਸਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਜੋਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਖਿਡਾਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਪੁੱਜੇ ਆ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਮਾਣਯੋਗ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਰ ਚੰਨ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਪੁੱਜੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਐਨ ਸਿਰੇ ਦੀ ਟੱਕਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਦੋ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਖੇਡੀ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਕੈਟੇਗਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ A ਤੇ B ਟੀਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਰਮਿਆਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ फाइनल का सिरे का जो मैच है वो खेलिया जा रहा है। आओ आप इस मैच का आनंद माणीए। थोड़ा सारे का चलिया होया कहते एक एक कदम कहते सिर मथे सारे का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Let me know whenever.
ये भी लेके आना
नदीम की बाल कोट में लग के किस पासे चले गई अंदर जानी चाहिए थी। हम सलमान को बाल है हरमीत ने बाल जोगिंदर ने देते गुरजंट ने
We'll stand together.
बाल दबाओ
Kelly wants to know what you're saying, then she will try. Daddy should be giving me. Let me know when you're ready. Yeah. So guys, we are here celebrating the first KW hockey tournament. This tournament wouldn't be possible. This tournament wouldn't be possible if we won't have the mastermind Ranjit, Guru Motor, Ajmer Singh, and our sister, our family, our leader, our mentor, and the top of everything, the person who looks after the community before she looks after herself, Kelly Drider, our MP from Kitchener Centre. We are very proud to be sponsored, myself and Ajmer, to sponsor this tournament, this event. It's a wonderful event, and we are so happy to be part of it. Before I say anything else, I just want to say thank you to Ranjit inviting us and inviting our leader, Kelly Drider, and I would like Kelly Drider to say a few words on this, on behalf of Ranjit. Yes.
On behalf of Lucky, I just want to say thank you so much for having me today, Ranjit. This is spectacular, absolutely beautifully organized, community spirit, and I'm just really, really happy to be a part of it, really proud to be here today. So thank you so much for inviting me and being part of the first ever field hockey tournament in, well, Kitchener and Waterloo. So thank you for organizing it and all of your hard work. Thank you very much. Would you like to say something?
Just say it, Mr. Mayor is here.
Mr. Mayor is here. You can say a few words too.
Oh, you finished
Yeah,
yours?
I did. Yeah.
Hi, good. How are you? Nice to see you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Good. You?
Yeah, I did. What I'll do is I'll introduce our mayor.
Mayor, please, Mr. Mayor, can you come here?
Field hockey tournament. I'm introducing you.
Oh, okay.
This is our
Sorry, what are we talking about? How are we? Okay.
very first field hockey tournament.
Okay.
Paji, please.
Hi, how are you?
Ranjit
Happy
here.
New Year. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Hi, nice to meet
So,
you.
Mr. Mayor, we would like, Ranjit is here, your
Hey,
friend.
how are you? Nice to see you
You
again.
know Ranjit, eh?
Yeah.
So he's
He
here.
organizes.
This is the guy being the,
I'm
this
not
guy.
only with that.
I'm my senior, most senior
There you go.
organizer.
Oh, are you?
There you go.
Yeah, that's Mr.
Oh,
Margaret.
good.
Yeah,
Nice
Haji
to
Margaret.
meet you.
Youngest
Yeah.
and wisest, right?
Youngest and
let
wisest,
me
100%. Yeah.
So guys, finally, we got our mayor of Kitchener with our mayor, with our MP, Kelly Drider from Kitchener Centre. And I'm not going to waste time to introduce others before Mr. Mayor says anything and something special for this KW hockey tournament.
Sure.
Mr. Mayor, floor is yours.
Well, thank you very much, Parveen, and wonderful to be here with all of you and see all these folks enjoying this tournament this weekend. Happy New Year to everyone, and it's great to see the community coming together for this event for the first time, and it's just indicative of the way the community operates in general, coming together whether it's cultural activities, sporting activities, and so on, to celebrate each other, to celebrate fellowship, and to celebrate coming together and building a great community together. So congratulations and thank you to the organizers.
Yes, thank you.
So now let me bring the godfather of this tournament.
Yes.
There is only one godfather, and there is always a one godfather. That, as it's saying, there is only one godfather movie too. So none other than Mr. Mangat can do a big job like this. Mr. Mangat, we want you to say a few words, sir.
Thank you so much. I've been involved in field hockey since I moved to Kitchener-Waterloo, but there were a few people before me who started the sport. So it's a long time. It was in '75. We didn't have any playground, so we started in Victoria Park, just took over the grass, and then I seen few people playing, and from there it just grown tremendously. So we had ups and downs. So right now we are doing very well. Thank you so much.
There is a godfather and godfather's right hand. And no other than Ranjit could be a right hand to a godfather. Mr. Ranjit Guru Motor, the guy who started a business in a very young life. And when he started, he never had a dream that he's gonna be one of the leading guy in our community in this business. And you know what, Ranjit? Not only me, this whole community is very proud, especially your father sitting next to you. Very proud of you. We as a community and as a friend, you are a gem of a man, and thank you for conducting this great tournament today.
Thank you, guys. Such a good time we have here. Very great people. Mr. Barry and Kelly and AJ and the other friends as well. So I can't say much, but it's such a good time having with you.
Thank you.
So I hope next annual tournament, I hope we meet again. Well, thank you for coming. I thank you for your support, special sponsors, and other team members as well. Great, thank you.
So now we're going to bring our future leader, always a leader, born leader, and he will be a leader for the rest of his life. Mr. Ajmer Manzoor, that's your turn, sir.
A leader without portfolio, right?
But that's okay.
Portfolio's coming.
Heart is a portfolio.
Thank you. Always glad to support any sports event. It is our honor to support this event today, and I just want to say from the bottom of our heart from Anchor Foods that we appreciate the support that the community has given us for the last 35 years, and let's do it together, and let's continue with these kinds of events, and we always will be there, and that's my promise to everyone that whoever organizes the events such as this one, we will always be there from Anchor Foods. Thank you very much.
You know what? As you said it, Ajmer, do we have choice to say no to Ranjit, not to sponsor? We never had. So now we're going to bring Ranjit's dad, the man who started a family here with a couple of people. Now he got more than a couple of hundred people living in Kitchener-Waterloo, brought them here, settled them here, give them a better life in Canada. None other than Pavant Paji, Ranjit's dad, who made every member of his family proud today. Pavant Paji, you to say a few words.
Just thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you for hosting me as a technical director in this tournament. I tried my best. I never had this occasion to do this. I play field hockey at very high level, but never did this job. So I tried my best, and thank you very much for the tournament committee giving me a chance and help you guys have this tournament this year. I hope you will do it again and again. And also I'm thankful to teacher MP.
It's okay.
I have to ask his name again because
It's okay. That's okay. I'm very.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're
I
welcome.
saw you giving speech, but I didn't know who you are.
That's okay. That's okay.
Really, all the guys, I have not a place for them. Exactly. Okay, thank you very much. See you next year.
Thank you.
Alright guys, let's have a picture, Paji.
I would like to say thanks to everyone who spent some time and came here and the part of this tournament. And I would also like to say thank you to all the officials, all the tournament members, all the players who came here. Thank you so much. And so I'm going to be saying something who actually organized this one and support us, right? Especially, we start with Harjeet Mangat Paji, right? So they are our main sponsors. Then Ranjit, right? Who helped. Then I have Surjit Pawla, he's not here. So he's one of the sponsors. Then Nandini Solomon. Then we have a lot of Surjit. And I have a list of them. Ajmer Mandhur, right? And Yusuf Deva, Vishal Saxena. I have a lot of people, Praveen Sharma, who bring everybody. And a lot of trophies there. You can show that trophies. That's sponsored by Paji, right? So he's always one in our city who come and bring all you guys together and show us as a community. And thanks to Brampton team. Okay, so we're going now. Thank you them. So they came from London too. We have one team. Thank you.
So thank you, Paji, for bringing all such a great person here.
Yeah.
It's my honor, Ranjit, to do anything and everything for you. You're always for me, and I'm always for us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's have a seat and you really enjoy and get the picture. Okay, we got the king and the queen in the house.
Mr. Benny, I'm sorry. I remember the company. We are made of petrol bottles. To us it's the same thing. Yeah. So we are very thankful for you to come here and you are watching our tournament right now, match right now. I think, have you ever seen me in hockey match before? That's nice, very nice of you. Thank you again. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy New Year. I'm good. You keeping well? That's good stuff. Good stuff. And then how do you come home with look after me tonight? Okay, well, no, I gotta go to Oakville actually. I have another commitment. So. There you go. Okay. Sounds good. We'll find something. Just talk to you in the meantime. Take care.
गोली पा
सलमान साहब दौड़ दिखाओ कोई अपनी Score for this match is Pencil Black leading by 1 goal to Pencil Red. And in the meantime,
political figure running around, they are all connected to each other to make the move. We were all not doing home. Days. Tell me which man is not troubled from his life. No, I'm not.
अपना नाम मनोज 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 विपिन से मधु शारदा जी मधु सुबह शारदा जी
we are thankful again to the Bronze Club of Sharda YouTube channel, Madhu Sudan और Sharda ये Vipan and Manoj
That's a younger generation.
तो मधुसूदन शर्मा शारदा जी अपने यूट्यूब में प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं बड़ी बाल कुमाई सलमान ने पैर में बाल लाने शॉट कर सलमान There were a lot of girls. There were girls who played ball tournament. They were from London. Part of Europe. Yeah, there were girls from London. Joffrey, Black Buddha is not really great for cricket. ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਓਪੀ ਨੇ ਬਾਲ ਬੜੀ ਕੁੰਡੀ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਖੋਲ you need a carpet. That's what this is. No, it is not. This is like a thick one. I remember we used to have a proper basketball. Now they don't have that. What is actual has an indoor field? Yeah. I get tired of looking.
Start the enforcers.
अल्लाह
Score right now 1-1. Margaret, Kitchener, our center, Arjun Wadley plays well. Right now he's playing well. Defense is blessed. A man of all opinions. Harjeet Margaret. मैच बड़ा टफ ज़्यादा है स्कोर इज 1-1 both teams have missed lots of chances Sikandar, Salman, Nadeem. Javed is a umpire. He is from Kitchener and played for Pakistan. Kuldeep Kohli had a good clearance. Very well done, Shikha. Very well done. of that team. Let's hope they score a goal and break the deadlock. Match is drawn 1-1. We could break the deadlock and we have to decide who is the winner. With the consent of the both teams, we may have to toss who will be winner. Or we can declare joint winners. We are deciding what to do. We have declared the winner, Panthers Red, on the score, more goals and more points from the round robin tournament. So we are going to the other side. And everybody pick up their own stuff, quick. Please. We are running out of time. Not running, we are always...
No, we are already out of time.
So please, take your stuff and move to the other part of the field. Thank you.
Otherwise, the game was tough. Maybe no decision, so we have to...
Mangat sahab.
ग्राउंड को
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੀਗਾ ਵਾਈਡ ਰੱਖੋਗੇ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਮੇਰਾ ਵਾਈਡ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਐਰਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਬਾਰ ਬਾਰ ਖੋਲਦਾ ਹੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਫਸਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਦੂਜਾ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਪਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਟਰਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਦੂਜਾ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ ਲੱਭ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ये वाला पीछे रख लेते हैं ना 300 मीटर वाला और पीछे नु करो मैं चक ओके करा दो ਇੱਥੇ ਕ ਲਿਆਓ ਆਹ ਨੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਕ ਲਿਆ
check check हाँ ये जा नहीं रहा इतों कट दो भावे उत्तों कट दो जो लगता है कि ज़्यादा दिक्कत आई फिर रिकमेंड वाइट रहना